Hello children, hope you all are doing good. Now, before starting today's lesson, I am going to show you few things. Let us see. You all know what are these things. What is this? This is a brush. When do we use brush? We use brush to wash or clean our teeth. Now, what else do we use with this brush? We use a toothpaste. Okay, by putting this toothpaste on the brush, we brush our teeth. Okay, next, after brushing, what we need? We need some water to clean our teeth as well as our face. Okay, so when do we brush our teeth? Generally, we brush our teeth when we get up early in the morning, right? But we must brush our teeth 2 times a day. One, when we get up in the morning, and two, before going to bed at night. Okay, so let us start today's lesson. Today's lesson is all about a poem named Getting Up. Let's see. The name of the poem is Getting Up, written by Lillian McCree. When I get up in the morning, I'll tell you what I do. I wash my hands and I wash my face. Splishity splash, splishity splash. I clean my teeth till they are shining white. Scrubbity scrub, scrubbity scrub. Then I put on my clothes and brush my hair, and runnity run, I run downstairs. Now, when I get up in the morning, I'll tell you what I do. Now children, it is very important to get up early in the morning, not only for you but for big people also. So just like the little child, we all wake up early in the morning and clean ourselves. I wash my hands and I wash my face. Splishity splash, splishity splash. Now we have seen is a new word, that is splash. What is the meaning of this word? We will come to know. But before that, we clean our face and hands with fresh water. We splash water on our face few times. Now, what is the meaning of splash? Splash means জলের ঝাপটা দেওয়া. When we splash water on our face, we feel very refreshing. We feel very like we have got very energy. I clean my teeth till they are shining white. Scrubbity scrub, scrubbity scrub. Then we brush our teeth to make them clean. We use brush and toothpaste to scrub our teeth. Scrub means ঘষে পরিষ্কার করা. We scrub our teeth to make them clean and healthy. We must brush our teeth 2 times a day. Then I put on my clothes and brush my hair, and runnity run, I run downstairs. After you get freshen up, you have to go to school. So for that, you have to wear your clothes, comb your hair and get ready for your school. But before going to school, you must have your breakfast. So this is all about the poem Getting Up, written by Lillian McCree. So this is all about the poem of Getting up. Okay, read the poem many times and learn it the way I'll say. Okay, till then, all of you stay safe. Thank you.